Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 27 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join my Discord. Let me know what you think about Jay's mom. I'm here in Nagasaki and just doing a sunset photo, so follow me on Instagram. You want to see what's up with that. Anyway, I'll see you in a little bit, or like now when I edit the video. Yeah, so as you can clearly see, I'm really enjoying and playing around with the intro. Let me know what you think about the intros. I mean, obviously it is very for the intros. Obviously it's very whatchamacallit. Yeah, I'm still learning. We're trying to figure it out. Anyway, let's take a look at today's problem. Today's problem is 5 longest palindromic substring. All right, return longest. Okay. N is 1,000, so you could do n square. I think this is also the managers, which I will not go over today, because I am trying to go. I am still in Nagasaki. I'm going to try to explore the city a little bit. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit lazy. Or not? Okay, fine, right? So definitely Google that up, and or just come to Discord, and I'm sure many people will help you kind of go through it. People are very good in my Discord. I think I have a comment the other day, and I totally agree, which is that yeah, the videos are nice, and I mean, I want to say I'm mostly trying my best. Maybe not when I'm on vacation and trying to go out and eat delicious Japanese food, but I think the Discord is actually the biggest product that came out of this thing. Is that they're just a group, a community of smart people, mostly helping each other and mostly not being assholes. So yeah, let me know what you think. But yeah, so today I'm just going to do the naive one. It is a medium after all, and if this was a contest, I would try to do the least amount of work as possible. Don't prematurely optimize, right? So n square is going to be good enough, and the trickiest thing is that sorry, I'm like getting I don't know. I have some nasal congestion thing, so talking a little bit in a weird cadence. So definitely my apologies. Maybe something's been going around. But yeah, n square. Yeah, just n square stuff. I mean, they're already n square substring. So if you try to check every substring, that's gonna be n cube. But you don't really have to, right? You could do a sort of, I wouldn't say a breadth first search, but just like instead of testing every substring, you test, okay, what if this character or this space is the middle of a substring, right? And then kind of just expand it out as you can. Even in the worst case, because they're only n different middle pieces, or n or 2 times n, depending how you want to say it, middle pieces, even expanding out n is going to be n squared. So that's basically the idea. So let's get started, right? The longest, okay, yeah. So the longest is you got some empty string. So then now for middle in, or let's just say n is equal to length of s. And I would also say this kind of idea, maybe, well, for palindromes certainly, but it does come up from time to time where you try to figure out like another dimension to kind of optimize. So definitely, I wouldn't say like memorize this technique or whatever, or this quote unquote trick, but just like, yeah, attacking a problem from different angles is always nice. So yeah, so for middle in, I think my computer's doing some backup, so that's why it's like in a little bit slow, maybe even a lot slow, but yeah. Alright, so now here let's start with odd palindromes. I mean odd palindromes not because they're strange, but odd because they're odd number, odd linked. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. But yeah, so while left is greater than or equal to, let's say, inclusive bounding and stuff like this is always tricky for me. So yeah, so while left is greater than equal to 0, and right is less than n, right? Then we can check if, and I guess this if is not necessary. N, or I mean, it's necessary. Just if this is the case, then we can increment by 1 and move left, move right, expand 1 at a time. And now this means that either we ran out of space or left is not equal to right. So that means that we have to move 1 back. So then the string will be left plus 1. Oops. To right, because right is exclusive, right? So this is the string. So yeah, so then now well, I mean, this is the string, but we don't have to look into it yet because we know the length, right? I was gonna say you could do something like this. If length of this is greater than length of longest, then longest is equal to right. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm lazy, but keeping in mind that this is slightly more expensive than just like, what the length is, the left and the right bounds, but I'm lazy, so let's keep it lazy today. And then now even length palindromes and palindromes. So here you just think about it as the space in between, which is that's fine, right? Middle right is equal to middle plus 1, right? So same code pretty much, but we have to be a little bit careful because basically the first thing should be matching. So if right, then we just move on to the next number. Otherwise, while this is true, we just keep on expanding, and then also same thing here. I mean, if we all have off by 1, then I guess we just have to fix it. But yeah, and keeping in mind that this should always have at least 1 character, maybe. Ooh. Oh, okay, yeah. Right is less than n, and if actually if this is true, then yeah. And that should be good. I mean, I don't know, right? Like, let's test some weird cases. And I think that's weird enough. I mean, I don't have to test that. 1,000 squares should be okay. I'm not going to test that. Also, just because I'm lazy to type it out. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Today I don't. That's all I have. 1305-day streak. Still here in Nagasaki. If you have recommendations or if you just want to see some cool things, let me know in the comments. And yeah, why is it so much faster than last time? I don't think I did anything that funky last time either. No, I did separate them out, but I don't think that matters that much. That's kind of weird. But that time I even did it the smart way. Yeah, and I didn't even keep track of the strings because I was just lazy. I don't know. Maybe Leetcode server just got faster in 2 years. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.